EVMs are hacked. And because
Okay.
I'm IITian, I have
Okay.
lost. Now I know EVMs
You
were
know,
hacked.
those are the
Which
visuals on your screen. Saurav Bharadwaj, the star campaigner and star candidate of Aam Aadmi Party, is right now at a temple. He's made that temple visit early in the morning. He is at the Kalkaji temple. He himself is fighting from Greater Kailash Assembly constituency. He is, of course, offering his prayers, hoping that Aam Aadmi Party wins the election once again. So these are optics that are being played out. Alok Mehta, temple visits are an integral part of the politicians when they are doing the rounds, when they are campaigning, and also just moments before the elections come out.
I think it's a very normal, and Saurabh Bharadwaj is a very humble and nice person. That's why I feel sorry about him, because he is also a very educated person. And because of the Kejriwal and company, I think he is again praying for God that at least his image should be saved. I think these kind of people are also there. They were not, they tried to do, but you see, he was the real candidate who should have been the chief minister of the Delhi. But Kejriwal never accepted those people who have good image. He wanted this kind of people who can just manage different things for him and get money power and muscle power. It is the only solution for Kejriwal, and that's why I feel that's what Delhi people, what Sumit Pirji was also mentioning, that this time it's a very surprising if they get again majority. Certainly, they will get some seats. The exit poll also surface about it. But I think that this time, not because of the BJP, just because Aam Aadmi Party is losing. Again, I'll say, BJP is winning just because of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi image and his promises, what he tried to implement in everywhere in the other states. But in Delhi, health scheme like Ayushman Bharat, because the whole Mohalla clinic is a disaster, but even worse than anything else, because the whole money is from central government also. They misused on the name of the Mohalla clinic. Schools, certainly, they have built buildings because they can get the cut from the building constructions. But
Okay.
here,
Okay.
afterwards, the teachers are not there.
Okay, so, but again, the Pope plank being better healthcare, better education, there have been at this point of time some, momentum that has been gained by the Aam Aadmi Party in the course of the 10 years that it has governed the region of Delhi. Will that be the saving grace for Aam Aadmi Party remains to be seen. Pranay, coming back to you again, what must be going on in the mind of Saurav Bharadwaj? He has arrived at the Kalkaji temple offering his prayers, hoping for a hat-trick for Aam Aadmi Party. So, the same question for you.
Megha ji, it is good as a Hindu you come to a temple and offer prayers. For at a personal level, I am with Saurabh Bharadwaj ji for doing this. But the fate and the truth remains that you were giving salaries to mullahs and mullanas. At the time of the election, Mr. Kejriwal, who says I'm a devout Bajrang Bali Bhakt, took you 10 years to reach Hanuman Mandir. And just before the elections, he started thinking about the Hindus and giving salary, thought of giving salaries to pujaris. This paddle of soft Hindutva is not going to work. This paddle of soft Hindutva is not going to work. I mean, that is what they have been trying.
But it
It's good
seems to
at the
have
personal
worked. It
level.
seems to have worked just fine in the last two elections, particularly about the temple run that was done by Arvind Kejriwal, reciting the Hanuman Chalisa, visiting the Hanuman temples.
But when it comes to giving salaries, only mullahs were preferred. Granthis and pujaris were left out for 10 years. That people also know. And people, when he went to Hanuman Mandir, pujaris questioned him. Saab, 10 saal baad hamari yaad aayi. It took him 10 years to reach the Hanuman Mandir of Connaught Place, which is 2 kilometers from the Sheesh Mahal he lives in. Was living in rather. So, I mean, all these gimmicks and mimicry is people have seen through. Now, you can't, keep on doing, you can't think people are sorry to say that people are dumb. You assume, presume, and believe people are dumb. You can manipulate and manage them any way you want. And that this always he had a problem with this kind of a Hindu image. He always had wanted to be more secular. He always wanted to be. But when he saw the things are turning, he tried in the last few days to become more Hindu-like and try to soft Hindutva, but it didn't work out.
Okay, let's hear it from Pranay. Pranay, do you think Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi